Everyone online is losing their minds over flashy new AI video generators, but most creators are actually missing a much simpler, faster way to blow up their content. The real secret isn't generating new footage from scratch, it's turning the massive amount of long-form content you already have into dozens of viral clips. I've spent the last few weeks pushing Vizard to its limits, running messy interviews, hour-long live streams, and even rambling podcasts through it to see what sticks. I discovered a handful of hidden features that actually change the game, but most people never touch them, which is exactly why their clips end up feeling flat. Today, I'm going to walk you through 4 insane tips that'll make you a pro at using Vizard even if you've never edited a single video in your life. We'll cover how to structure clips so the AI actually finds the good stuff, how to hook viewers in vertical, and how to use advanced layering for a polished look. First, we need to talk about structure, because this is the single most important tip for getting usable output. People treat AI like magic, assuming if they throw in a 90-minute video, it will just intuitively spit out perfect clips without any guidance. But Vizard is just an assistant editor. If you don't give it context or point it toward the useful parts, it's just guessing blindly. To fix this, I created a formula called forms, which is the fastest way to give the AI usable signals for viral-ready clips. F stands for focus. You need to define if you are highlighting the host, the guest, or a specific visual demo. O is for outcome. Identify the payoff of the moment, like a surprising joke, a contrarian take, or a powerful lesson. R represents realism and style, letting you decide if the clip should feel educational, high energy, or cinematic. M is for motion, defining the pace, whether you want quick cuts for high energy or a slower, more deliberate explanation. And S is setting, which tells the AI if this is an in-studio interview, a conference stage, or a casual walk and talk. When you put these into your prompt rules, the AI actually searches for segments that match the vibe you intended. For example, I tell it to focus on a guest with strong opinions, look for punchline-friendly stats, and use quick zoom-ins on faces. This metadata approach drastically changes what the algorithm surfaces, making the clips tighter and much more engaging. Tip number 2 is about upscaling and export settings. Do not sleep on this part of the process. Many creators export at default settings, which looks okay on a small phone screen but ends up looking soft and pixelated on a TV. Vizard lets you choose higher resolutions, and my advice is to always use the highest internal option before running it through an upscaler. Why go through the extra effort? Because sharper visuals make your brand look more professional and trustworthy. If you want these clips to work for a newsletter embed or a paid ad, you need that high-quality master file from the start. Third tip, green screen and layering, which is a surprisingly powerful way to create custom, bespoke assets without a full studio. You can upload a clean shot of yourself against a plain wall, let Vizard auto-mask you, and then layer that over cool animated backgrounds. It's way faster than trying to key this out in complex software like After Effects, and it makes your clips look way more expensive than they are. Just do a quick manual frame check to make sure the edges around your hair or hands are clean and you are ready to go. Tip number 4. Always prioritize a vertical-first workflow from the very beginning of your project. The biggest mistake is just cropping a wide video after the fact because the framing often gets lost or feels awkward. Vizard allows you to select vertical outputs right at the start, ensuring the AI focuses on the subject's face and main action throughout. If you want your short to perform, you need to treat it like a native vertical piece, with strong subtitles and immediate hooks. Use the slight handheld zoom and quick push-in effects sparingly to keep that documentary energy people love to watch. Now, let's talk about some hidden features most people totally overlook, like the batch template system. If you have 20 podcast episodes, stop editing them one by one and set up a template to run them all at once. Vizard also offers tone filters and hook boosting, which are AI nudges that prioritize clips with high emotion and big reactions. These features increase your chances of performing well on platforms that prioritize sensory cues and quick, exciting moments. Some people ask about dedicated generative AI tools that create footage from scratch, but those are often expensive and slow. Vizard is in a league of its own because it optimizes the content you already own, keeping your pipeline full without needing complex prompts. Here's a quick walkthrough. Upload a long live stream, set your job to vertical output, and filter for reactions. Come back in 40 minutes and you'll have a batch of clips sorted by predicted engagement, ready to be scheduled and posted. The content calendar inside lets you visualize your entire pipeline. letting you swap clips or adjust timing if something topical happens. It truly becomes a small, repeatable machine that handles the heavy lifting so you can focus on your creative strategy. To wrap up, use the form structure, upscale your exports, layer creatively, and keep that vertical-first mindset. Vizard might not replace every tool in your stack, but it is the difference between sporadic posting and having a consistent, growing content engine. Work smarter, not harder. Let the AI do the repetitive editing, but steer it with your own intentional structure. If you try these tricks on your next long video, I promise you'll be shocked by how many quality shorts you walk away with. I can even share my specific template settings if you're interested, so drop a comment below and I'll get those over to you. Thanks for sticking around through this deep dive. I'll see you in the next one.